Hello, welcome back again to your lesson. And today we are going to learn the letter A. Again, this is letter A. And the sound of this is A. A. Let's go to your vocabulary. This is an arrow. A arrow. This is an apple. A apple. This is an ant. A ant. This is a hat. Hat. This is a cat. Cat. This is a bag. Bag. And for your speaking structure, I will say, what is it? And you will say, it's a or it's an. Let's begin. What is it? It's a bag. It's a bag. What is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. What is it? It's a hat. It's a hat. What is it? It's an ant. It's an ant. What is it? It's an apple. It's an apple. What is it? It's an arrow. It's an arrow. And that's the end of your A class today. Goodbye.